Hey, it's Pipiads. If you want to know which products are trending on TikTok, in this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today our first winning product is the Skull and Crossbones t-shirt. This amazing t-shirt will become a staple in your wardrobe. It is a comfortable, affordable way to express yourself. Whether purchasing for a family member, loved one, or everyone, you can be sure to put a smile on their face. The suggested selling price is $24 with the product costing on AliExpress $7.77, which would leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is Dream Catcher Charm Bracelets. The stylish bracelet is made of hypoallergenic 925 sterling silver, lead-free, nickel-free, and anti-allergic. It won't get fed, shiny and smooth face. This jewelry set is suitable for many occasions, and a good match for daily wear. It's a wonderful gift for mothers, wives, girlfriends, best friends, daughters, sisters, or even for yourself. The suggested selling price is Euros 29.99 and the product cost on AliExpress is $4.39. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.